to day 11.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are we going today? Blizzard Beach.
Blizzard. I thought it was lizard.
No, Blizzard Beach. Blizzard Beach opened yesterday, so we're off to Blizzard Beach today. It's exciting, isn't it? For the first time, I've never been to Blizzard Beach. Me and Mike went when we in 2017, but since then we haven't been. So that's exciting. You excited? Arabella, you excited to go to Blizzard Beach?
Yeah. Boo.
Arabella's doing some colouring in, or drawing. So we're going to head to Blizzard Beach and then we're going to go to Animal Kingdom and then probably go to Disney Springs this evening. So we've only been to Disney Springs once. And time's running away with us. And it's somebody's birthday tomorrow. Is it your birthday?
No.
Whose birthday is it?
Arabella's.
Oh.
You have to put our hair.
Don't need to do your hair. We're going to a water park. Okay?
Boo.
Right, let's go and get in the car and go to Blizzard Beach. I'm excited.
But you have to see what Blizzard Beach is like when you get there. Bye, boo, bye.
See you at Blizzard Beach.
This doll, Mummy bought this doll from for Arabella's birthday, and she let me have it, and right there. And I got this, and inside is her stuff and the notebook. So we've got her bag, her sunglasses, I've got a notebook and there's loads of things inside. And I've got lollipops. That's my lollipops for Ariska. And then a bag for I've got pizza. And it's got a little Mickey on it.
Oh, that's cute, isn't it?
And a pen. And we've got shoes. Tomato sauce, whatever it is. And then the little doll. And then shoes. Then a drink. Look, it's got Tiana on it. And then okay, banana and flip flops. We'll have little shells. And then necklaces. Ring. And the star rubber. It's my favourite colour. Okay, that's all we have today. And we have this little owl. And what is a keyring? Bye! I got this doll that Mama bought me. And Mummy bought me this. I didn't have any money, but Mummy and Daddy and Sienna let me buy a new doll with no money.
You got it from Character Warehouse, didn't we? $12.99 from Character Warehouse. Bargains. I love these dolls. Yeah, they're beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah. And look, her tattoo. I've got this balloon. I've got some food. Got some food. I've got a spoon and some bread.
Oh, lovely.
And by the way, we also got these things.
Anklets.
Yeah, and we've even got the love one. What Mummy's got.
Right, should we go to Blizzard Beach?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to bring your dolls.
Yeah. And
Right, let's go and finish packing then, okay?
Okay, bye.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities.
So we spent the morning at Blizzard Beach. Actually really enjoyed it. It's really nice. Never been at Blizzard Beach before, but I actually think I preferred it to Typhoon Lagoon. There's a lovely little kiddie bit, really good slides. Lazy River was a bit nah, but yeah, it's good. Now we're into Animal Kingdom. Just gonna go and quickly ride Flight of Passage. It's currently showing 45 minutes. Huh?
About my glass case.
Yeah.
But got her.
Oh, the umbrella. So yeah, we're gonna go run over to Flight of Passage. Let's see if you're tall enough.
Yeah. Okay, I got my high shoes on.
You got your high shoes on.
When I have my high shoes on, I'm like, maybe
Let's go on Avatar, Arabella. Arabella, excited?
Yeah.
And it's lightning lanes, we just get to walk straight through. Yes, yes,
We have to walk straight on.
yes.
It was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative.
Well, they can't see you. That's probably the problem. There we go.
Granddad.
See me.
Starting the calibration tests. Move around a little.
Still not bored. I can't see.
You need to step little things here.
Here, switch with me. Try that.
We're gonna get our avatars out.
We will be ready soon.
This is not a waiting last time I seen this.
Girls just rode Avatar for the first time. Arabella, what did you think about Flight of Passage?
I want to do it again.
Pardon? I can't see
I
you.
want to do it again.
Did you love it?
Yeah.
What did you like the best? You like flying? Sienna, what did you think of Flight of Passage? Avatar, Flight of Passage, what did you think? Just good?
Yeah.
Just good. Did you think it was amazing? Or did you think it was just good?
Just good.
Really? What did you think of it?
Yeah, very, very good. Apart from the hippo.
The rhino?
Oh, that's it. The rhino coming at me. Scared me.
It's much better riding with other people than on your own. Mum, watch out. Birds. You don't like birds, do you?
I don't mind until they fly around my head.
on top of that ridge there, you may notice a lighter colored antelope. That is a greater kudu. Now with both of those species, they have those thin white stripes that serves as camouflage. That's because they have incisors that reach lengths of 18 inches long, and they will use those for defense. Hippos will generally stay submerged in water during the daytime to keep from overheating. There are nocturnal species that can reach lengths of up to 20 feet long. Like all reptiles, they are ectothermic. That is the scientific way of saying they're cold-blooded.
Watching over here.
Entire life. See if we get a better view of that elephant over this way.
Keep watching.
And it's sort of between those bushes there. One
Keep
more
looking,
try.
keep looking. Yeah, keep looking this way.
There we go. A little bit
Ready?
better view of
See
that
him?
elephant.
Yeah, obviously take size. They're behind me. It's quick view.
Lions are nocturnal, and just like domestic cats, they will spend about 16 to 20 hours out of every day just laying around, resting and sleeping. Usually a lot of activity going on until later on. Right now, they'll get out and drink water. Then mark that territory.
Those tits. Mommy, are those tits? What? Are those tits?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's starting to rain. I think that animal is starting to go now.
There he is.
They are annoying.
Oh, I thought he was going up.
Yeah, I thought he was.
They have extremely strong shells.
Yeah.
They're
Daddy's
strong
dinner.
enough to just
When is this going to stop?
Why? Don't you like it? Inside? Is it raining inside? The end. Stop.
Rain's still going.
Oh yeah, it's still raining. It stopped.
It's still raining.
Oh, no, it's all right.
It's still raining.
Pepe, we got a very special birthday. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy birthday from all of us here. We did something special. We made just for you. We hope you have a super fun and terrific day. So happy birthday from Rainforest Cafe. And then I brought 2 spoons so that you can share. Okay, I think Mom wants a picture. We'll light it again. There you go.
Ready? You gotta blow it out. Gotta blow it out. Woo! Happy birthday, baby. You're welcome.